Hello? Oh, are you? Wagwan?
Yeah, man, when they are going easy. What you say? Them a wait for me to start the video. If you looking at the camera. Oh, yeah. What you deal with? Yo, later, come on. What you deal with? I'm glad to me though. I'm glad to you no more. So guess what? As I say by the title, my top 5 favorite first time experiences. So you don't know that go. Please like, share part of the video where your favorite, leave a comment, and most definitely subscribe if you're new. So let's get into the intro. After the intro video, boom.
Make sure the seat you're in is comfy because you're now locked in to JTEX Official TV.
So let's start with my first time cooking. First time me I cook food, it was tin boom, which is tin mackerel and rice. 7-year-old. My mother did sick and food did for cook. She want food for cook and she sent me to fire. She used to show me how she did with certain things. So yeah, my first attempt at cooking at 7-year-old, it come out good. Tin boom and rice. That was the first thing I cooked. I never spoil it. No, over the years, you know, when we catch you practice, yes, we boil food, yes, and burn up rice and all them foolishness there. The more we continue to do it, and the more we get better at it. Repetition is the mother of all skills. Done. Alright. First time driving, I'm a cousin, Killy Weezy. Yeah man, big up yourself, bro. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can go subscribe to his YouTube channel too. Yeah, it first time I drive at him. Yeah, we got a game shop. And we go around, you know, they look a simulator, something with the steering and the gas pedal and the gear stick and right? Yeah, that's the first thing we drive. Couple years later, since my big now, we actually make me drive a real vehicle. He might the first person will make me drive a simulator. You understand? Then me drive a real car. Yeah, so Killy Weezy, bro, pick up your damn self. First time smoking ganja. This me attack. Yeah. Boom, youth. Me I tell you, me laugh like me not no sense. When me say 3 away, me, Killy Weezy, and him ex. Momo, big up yourself anywhere you're there. Me I tell you, the 3 away end up on the ground. We did sit down on the bed and me I tell you, say when the weed burning start, you split. Then even build good in it, you know. When the weed burning start, you all away end up on the ground. If we look for one another, we laugh. Any little thing, trigger laughing. Anything. Yes, we I say, yeah man, they did fun. My first time did fun. First time smoking weed did fun. You know? You know? So yeah, so let's move on. First time consuming an edible, which is a weed cookie. That me have. Me have the gummy bear already, but never do much. First time I ate a weed cookie. Trust me. You know do nothing. No. You know do me nothing. Kawa. I am a herbalist, yeah, I burn weed, so the effects where you're supposed to give a non-smoker, you know, give me that the effects there, it just make me feel like a bit drowsy, me I then just shut down a little bit and that's it. With the things that me there go fly past the moon, but you never carry me that far. So, just call it say, weed edible was, it did sweet and nicest, but as it regards to THC levels and CBD levels, not gonna know with me. First time having sex with a girl that I actually fell in love with. Not first time having sex, you know, because the first time I have sex, you know, that did total foolishness. You understand? Got me the totally an experience. But the first time I had sex with a girl that I actually love, and you know, yeah, she did love me back. Because you can know when you love did it. You understand? It did amazing. Yeah. Come like say, yo, nothing and no one exists but the two of them one time that I go on. Yeah man. You just feel a connection there. Yeah, I love that. You understand? So yeah, that was it. First time having sex with a girl I'm truly love. It is lit, it is shot, man, I tell you a lie. Yeah, man, slap wet. Both literally and figuratively. Yes, you have made it to the end of my video, and thanks a quintillion for making it thus far. Me love you know for this. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave your questions in the comment section. Make sure say you share the video and subscribe if you are new. Make sure say if you're new you go watch my previous videos, them more videos are gonna come soon. So just do that. And remember guys, the universe loves you all. You cannot get divinity out of bad livity. Words by Twins of St. Tulax. Yeah. Just do the right. You know? And until next time, this is JTX Official TV. And out.
I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching.